Good morning students, myself Vijay Badoria, Study Point Inter College, Khairabad, Sitapur. Today I am going to explain solving simultaneous linear equation by substitution method. If there are two equations are given, how will you solve those by substitution method? Okay, let's see an example. Example is given, solve for x and y, 2x plus y equal to 7. Two equations are given, 2x plus y equal to 7 and 4x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Solve these for x and y. How will you solve? By substitution method. There is no, in this question there is no need to solve these by graphical method. You will solve these by substitution method. What is substitution method and how will you apply? See this example carefully. First equation is given, 2x plus y equal to 7. 2x plus y equal to 7. And second equation is 4x minus 3y. Shift 1 that side, that will be 0 minus 1. Minus 1 there will be 4x minus 3y equal to minus 1. 4x minus 3y equal to minus 1. Now from this equation you can check you can get value of y. How will you find? See this, shift 2x that side, what will be? Y equal to 7 minus 2x, because 2x will go that side, it will be of minus, it will have negative sign. So y equal to 7 minus 2x. Okay, put from equation 1 we get y equal to 7 minus 2x. This is equation 1, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. From equation 1 we get y equal to 7 minus 2x. Put this value in this equation. In second equation, put the value of y 7 minus 2x in this second equation. 4x minus 3, in place of y what will you put? 7 minus 2x. In place of y what will you put? 7 minus 2x. See, now see here, 4x, what was the equation? 4x minus 3y equal to minus 1. What was the equation? It was 4x minus 3y equal to minus 1. In place of y what will you put? 7 minus 2x. So put 4x as it is minus 3. In place of y what will you put? 7 minus 2x. 7 minus 2x equal to minus 1. Now 4x minus 3 into 7 minus 21. Minus 3 into 7 minus 21. Minus 3 plus 2x plus 6x. Okay, minus 3 into minus 2x plus 6x minus 1 as it is. 4x plus 6x, it will be 10x. 4x plus 6x, it will be 10x. Minus 21 will go that side, it will be plus 21. Plus 21 minus 1, it will be 20. 10x equal to 20. X is 2. Now dividing this 20 by 10, what will we get? X as 2. Substituting x equal to 2 in equation 1, we get, what was the first equation? First equation was 2x plus y equal to 7. This was the first equation. Put in place of x you will put 2. 2 into 2 plus y equal to 7. 2 into 2 4. 2 into 2 4. Y equal to 7 minus 4. What will come? 3. So x is 2 and y is 3. Is this the solution of these two equations? These are the solution x for these two equations. X equal to 2 and y equal to 3 is the solution of these equations. Now let's check another example. See this question, solve the following pair of equation by substitution method. Solve the following pair of equations by substitution method. First equation is 7x minus 15y equal to 2. Second equation is x plus 2y equal to 3. You have to solve these equations by substitution method. How will you apply substitution method? See this, this is equation 1, this is equation 1, and this is 2. From equation 2, taking equation 2, x plus 2y equal to 3, what will be the value of x? Shift 2y that side, x equal to 3 minus 2y. What will we get? Value of x, x equal to 3 minus 2y from equation 2. Shift 2y that side, so it will be minus 2y. Now x value is 3 minus 2y. Put this value in equation number 1. Put this value of x in place of 7x. In place of x we will put 3 minus 2y. How will we solve? See now. Now see this. Put the x value. What was the x value? 3 minus 2y. Put in this equation. In first equation, 7x minus 15y equal to 2. So in place of x we will put 3 minus 2y, because x value was 3 minus 2y. X value is 3 minus 2y. Put in place of x 3 minus 2y. So 7x, here 7 into 3 minus 2y minus 15y as it is, equal to 2 as it is. 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14, minus 15y equal to 2. Minus 14y minus 15y minus 29y. Put 21, go send 21 that side. Minus 14y minus 15 minus 29y. 21 will go that side. 2 minus 21, it will be minus 19. Minus minus will cancel. Y equal to 19 upon 29. This is the value of y. Now put this value in equation number, in the value of this x equal to 3y, 3. Put this in this value, x equal to 3 minus 2y. Put the value of y in this equation. So x equal to 3 minus 2, y is 19 upon 29. Put 19 upon 29. Solve this and you will get x value 49 upon 29. So x value is 49 upon 29 and y value is 19 upon 29. This is the method, substitution method, to solve two given equations. This is the substitution method. Okay, practice for the questions, and we will meet. I will explain you elimination method in the next video. Okay, thank you and have a good day for you.